Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so in this question, we try to draw the Lewis structure of triazine, which is C3, H3, and 3. So, well, let's do that. So there's going to be carbon, nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, no, sorry, nitrogen here, carbon. Okay, so hydrogen, put hydrogen next to those carbons, and then carbon should have a maximum of 4 bonds. Okay, so that's triazine. Okay, that's A. Then where to estimate the carbon nitrogen bond distances in the ring. So of course we're having the carbon nitrogen bond would be um, we have some nitrogen carbon bonds that are single bond, and we have some nitrogen carbon bonds that are double bond. But because this is, we can also draw some resonance structure for this, but we can just assume that the representative structure will look like this. Just like in benzene, and that will make the carbon nitrogen bond to be intermediate between double bond and single bond, carbon nitrogen and carbon nitrogen. So if I'm to guess, it's going to be sometime somewhere around 1.40 angstrom. Okay, just a guess.